Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Nothing CMF Phone 1. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or select OK right away. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nothing Phone. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then tap on Receive button to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!